While Russia cowardly attacks civilian targets throughout Ukraine, Ukraine does not sit idly by and attack cities in the interior of Russia. Strikes are reported in Oktyabrski, Belgorodsky district, Russia. Presumably hit on a local sugar factory. Secondary detonations reported. An ammunition depot exploded in Belgorod region on the territory of the so-called Russian Federation. There has also been an explosion at a power station in Tetkino, Kursk Oblast of Russia. This is ZSU-23-4 Shilka of Ukraine's 66th Mechanized Brigade firing its 23mm 2A7 autocannons towards a Russian ground force. Meantime, Ukrainian forces are advancing along the P07 highway toward Kuzemivka city, Luhansk Oblast. Just a newly cooked Russian BTR-80. Look on what condition the village Davidov breed was left by Russian occupants. This is Kherson region, which is in the focus of Ukrainian counteroffensive operation on the south of the country.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.